So now that you know what's inside of the course, let's dive into how you can get the most out of it. So of course you should watch the videos. It's a video on demand course after all. Watch them at your speed, pause and rewind if I'm going too fast. I try to find the right balance for everyone, but if you feel like I'm too fast, slow me down or pause and go back to the start of the video again. Because you should also code along and do the exercises. And sometimes that means that you have to pause the video so that you can code along. That's okay. Some students don't code along, which is why I don't have super long pauses in my video, since I want to create a good course for these students as well. But my recommendation really would be that you do code along, because that is how you learn the most. And also do the quizzes you find in the course, some exercises I have in there. Do all of that. Build your apps, build your own versions of my apps, because that is how you ultimately learn the most. Use all the course resources you find attached. That's my source code, which you can compare to yours if you're facing any errors. And also, of course, check out the different slides and cheat sheets I attach to various lectures in the course, since that can be really helpful, or it can be really helpful resources if you're coming back to this course after a while, or if you're working on your own projects. Now, if you're getting stuck and you did compare my code to yours, which you should always do first, you can of course also ask in the Q&A section. I'm trying my best to help you there, but I really can only help on questions that are directly related to the course and to the course code. And I urge you to compare your code to mine first before you ask, because most errors can simply be fixed by comparing code, and you learn much more if you can find and fix an error on your own than when I tell you and you maybe don't really understand what was wrong. And besides asking in the Q&A section, also help others, because you learn the most if you dig into problems, be that your own problems or the problems of others, and you solve them. And you have to write down an answer, and you have to think about the problem and if your answer is correct. Of course, you might answer in a wrong way, but that's not a problem. You'll get corrected and you'll learn again. But if you try solving problems, be that your own ones or the problems of other students, you will learn so much more, because you really have to think about a problem and find a solution. And that is what makes you a great developer in the end. So definitely take this opportunity to get the most out of this course.